All right, hey everyone, this is Shaunak from Xampr. I have my colleague Arun with me today, and we're going to run you through a demonstration of the preventive and predictive maintenance on Xampr. So the scenario today we have picked is, and you'll be probably familiar with this slide if you had gone through the presentation on predictive preventive maintenance. So you have either a sensor or operator slash supervisor creating a ticket. So a sensor would probably send in data with some anomaly in terms of reading or is triggering an alert, and that raises a suspicion or a ticket, which then triggers a further workflow on preventative or predictive maintenance. The scenario that we are going to show you today is Arun, who is donning the hat of a supervisor, will create a ticket. Um, then it comes to me as a department head. I will verify the ticket assigned to one of the service engineers. We're not going to show you the service engineer role, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to call the service engineer and get an update verbally from him. And once that is done, I will update the ticket and it will go back to Arun for verification that and customer confirmation that the issue has been fixed. And once he's confirmed that, he's going to close it in the system. So without further ado, let's get started with the system itself.
Okay, thank you, Shana. So what I'll do is, as a supervisor, I will raise a complaint into Xampr app. So to do that, what we can do is we'll click on this plus sign, and we'll see this first thing where we can raise this preventive maintenance ticket. So once I will click on it, one form will open, and I need to fill this form. So I'll fill like electrical fault on machine alpha. Then I will, because I know that issue is electrical, so I will choose that department as electrical. And then I will also enter the other details of the ticket. The machine is not working, blah, blah, blah. Then I can also add my phone number or my, whoever is on the ground. If you need any help, whoever is coming to fix it, so I can enter the contact number so that we can easily contact. And also I can enter dates and other details that when exactly the issue occurred or not. So once you will raise this, then the department head of electrical department should receive the notification, should receive the ticket on screen.
Hey, thanks, Arun. So as you can see on my screen, which is reflected on the mirror here, there is a new activity that's popped in, which is essentially the ticket that Arun has just created. So I'm going to click on it and show you the details. So yep, these are all the details. This machine is not working on alpha. There's some electrical fault. What I need to do is I need to go down and address go down and watch the activity that has been created for me to verify. So what I'm going to do here is, since Arun has given me his mobile number, assume that I've called him, and I'm going to accept that yes, there is an issue that needs rectification or needs maintenance activity. So I'm going to change the status here to verify. And once that I confirm that the ticket is actually verified, and what then the system does in the backend is it will, let's go back here, it will create another activity, which is an activity to fix the ticket now. And since I verified the ticket with Arun, I mean, I have the ability, if he, for example, sends me photos, etc., I can upload them here in terms of notes and attachments. So all of that functionality is available. If I need a contextual chat, I can still do it by clicking here, and then it will open a chat window where I can say fix ticket as an example. So all of those things are possible, and you can I can communicate with my team. I can communicate with others who are involved in the workflow, and they would see this as a contextual chat working for them. Once I'm I'm going to assign it to somebody in the team who's going to be responsible for fixing it. We're not going to show you that. I'm just going to go ahead and assign the ticket first. But what we're going to what we're going to simulate is that, I mean, over here I have the possibility of like entering a fixed date. So let's say I'm going to give him a target of fixing it by Saturday, 19th of September, and the engineer is off and running, he or she will then look at whether there is a spare part requirement, would actually go down to the site to go and fix the issue. For the purposes of this demonstration, though, we will assume that that engineer has done their activity, and I'm going to go and change the status to fixed. Once it is fixed, you will see that it will go back into Arun's workflow, and you can see that the status has been updated. That's saying the issue has been fixed. I think Arun, you should get something back on your workflow now.
Yes, so when I will see, it will show me the entire state also, which I was showing. It was updating one after another, so I can see that there is some progress is being made by the department. Now, when they are saying it is fixed, now it's my job to verify from my side whether the machine is working as per our need or not. So let's suppose it is working, then what we can do is we'll go inside and update everyone. Whoever is the stakeholder of it, we can simply say, yes, I'm accepting that this issue is fixed. Otherwise, what we can do is we can say it is not resolved yet, and we can add our reason for it also. That maybe one issue is fixed, but there was another issue which engineer missed, right? So for now, for this demo, what I'll do is I will mark it as fixed, and we are done. So everybody will receive the status that we have accepted, and this ticket is closed now, and
Yeah.
we can get the signatures now. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can see it's also immediately changed on my screen as well on the left side that the ticket has been closed. Now, what you saw was a very simplistic demo. As I mentioned, we can work with IoT sensors. We can work in a predictive fashion as well. So if there is algorithms that we need to kind of integrate into the workflow, depending on certain machine parameters, to either raise ticket or not raise tickets, or perform breakdown maintenance, or even plan a maintenance activity based on certain readings. So all those things are possible. Hope you enjoyed the demo today. If you want to find out more about the solution, please reach out to us on LinkedIn, and we'll be happy to support you. Thank you for your time.